Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed while you are playing the Roblox game. So let's go quick into the process. Make a right click at the start button, then you have to select Task Manager in the list of options. Now here in the Task Manager window, maximize this. Then in the search bar, type Roblox. Now you'll find Roblox from here. Just simply make a right click and then select End Task. So once you completely close the Roblox processes from here, close the Task Manager window and launch the Roblox game afterwards if it is working fine this time or the issue has been fixed. For the next method is in the Windows search bar, type NCPA. It's ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. Simply make a right click, then you have to select properties. Now here in the properties window, you'll find this option Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. And here you'll find this window. Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4.4. So this is the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS. Now you just have to simply click on OK and then close this windows. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here type these commands: NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command, IP config space /flash DNS. It's IP config space /flash DNS. Hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Type exit. Hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. Now click on the start button, go to settings. Here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on apps, installed apps, and you'll find Roblox from here. Click on the three dots, select uninstall and uninstall once again. And we need to reinstall it, so simply open any of the browser that you have on your Windows, any of the browser. Now in the search bar, type roblox.com/download, hit enter. And you'll find this button, download Windows app. Click on that. And the installer file will be downloaded. Click on that and close the browser. And this will reinstall Roblox. You just need to wait for that in a while. Now here you just need to simply click on sign in and then sign in with your account and enjoy the Roblox game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.